Okay, good morning, Jilly Cube with you. I am just very quickly going to show you how to make a swifty swipe. I've been asked. I use an old spatula that's got that angle on it because I find it great for swiping. You just find a piece of soft plastic file divider, not real flimsy, something that's got a little bit of thickness in it, and you just can cut it any shape you like. I sort of cut it down in a shape of a V. You can make several of them, you can make different sizes, so if you can, I've got some odd bits of plastic there. Probably turn this over and you might be able to see. So I've got a piece of plastic. I want to use that side as my swipe, so I just put my spatula on the top like that, and it's just really rough. I just get some masking tape. There is no big secret to it, or nothing technical whatsoever, and I just put my masking tape over in several spots just to make sure that your spatula is held nice and firm onto the piece of plastic beneath it. So basically you can do them any shape and size. So that one then has got, I find, yeah, got a nice flat edge there, so you can swipe just down holding your handle of your spatula. So best if you have that completely soft, nothing underneath, none of your tape underneath, just keep all your tape on top, so you can use this as your swipe tool. So you can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, but it just gives a really good swipe tool. So I'd love somebody that actually started manufacturing these, that the handles were like this, and then you could have different plastic swipe tools to be able to slot into the handle. I've got the idea how you'd make them, but of course I'm not going into manufacturing them, but they're really good for swiping, so especially for beginners. And then if you just want to swipe smaller bits or larger bits. So there's my Jilly's Swifty swipe. I just wanted to quickly show you that because I have been asked to by quite a few people. So